So far at Ecomondo, I've been looking at machinery and equipment, new technology, that kind of thing. But there's more to the show than just the hardware. I've been lucky enough to catch up with David Newman, Vice President of ISWA, the International Solid Waste Association. Hello, David.
Hi, how are you?
One of the things, David, this, to me, looking at it from the product point of view, Ecomondo is a great show. But from your point of view, from ISWA's point of view, there are other dimensions to it as well, such as the conference and seminar program, is that right?
You know, they have over 120 conferences and seminars here, many of them translated into English as well, with translators, people coming from all over the world to speak. Yeah. And so, yeah, we're very enthusiastic. We participate a lot in helping develop that program. Our ISWA National Association has 2 conferences here itself.
Right.
Our Composting Association, which I direct, also has its national conference every year held in Rimini. But there's the conferences, there's the technology, there's people selling things, but there's also Italy's role as a bridge between the north and the south sides of the Mediterranean.
Yeah, I was going to raise that actually. Although from my point of view, looking at it from the engineering side, Italy is still very much one of the workshops of Europe.
Yeah.
Even German manufacturers and Scandinavian manufacturers source hydraulic machinery and products, which is one of the reasons why I come here. But of course, in many ways, Italy is seen as neutral, isn't it, in the waste and recycling market. It's got no particular axe to grind, so you could argue it really is a good base from which to explore the wider industry. Yeah,
and I think people tend to forget, looking at Great Britain, for example, that we're big exporters of composting and mechanical biological treatment plants. We have some of the most advanced incineration technology today in Italy, and people tend to look at the funny side and the picturesque side of Italian politics and forget that there really is
There's really a lot going
big
on.
industrial base here, you know?
Yeah. So there we have it. There's a lot going on at Ecomondo. You've missed it this year, so I hope this report has been of some use. But try and make a note of it in your diary next year. You can read in more detail some of the products that I've been looking at in the pages of Waste Management World. So we'll see you next time. Malcolm Bates, Ecomondo, Rimini.